Can you see no screen?
No, it's white screen only.
Right.
Yeah.
Now
No.
you can see word.
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Yes. See here, some two concepts are there. Okay, main concepts.
Okay.
One is first one is we'll call as a P2P. Okay, what is the meaning
Okay.
of P2P? Means procure to pay. Procure to
Okay.
pay.
Pay.
Okay, see, for example, in every organization, this process will follow wherever we go. Okay, see, for example, if in any company, if they want to buy anything, for example, if they want to buy anything, say, for example, whatever it may be, okay, first what they will do, no, first they will do the PR. First they will do the PR. What is the meaning of
Okay.
PR? Means purchase request. See,
Okay.
in every company, one department will be there. Okay, they will tell
Yeah.
that these are not available. We require this for our company. Like that, they will tell. Correct, no? Okay.
Yeah.
For that one, what they will do, no? First, they will do the PR. PR means what? Purchase requisition. Okay. Okay. After purchase requisition, what they will do, no? They will do the request for a quotation. Okay.
Okay.
Request from whom they will do the purchase requisition means from a vendor.
Done.
Vendor. Okay. See, they will call to some 10 vendors in the market. Okay. They will call to some 10 vendors and they will ask the quotations. Correct, no?
Yes.
That is the RFQ. Okay. RFQ means request for quotation.
Quotation.
Request for quotation. Means, for example, they will get 10 quotations. Out of 10 quotations, they will compare which is the best regarding the price wise. Correct, no? Everything they need to check, no?
Yes.
Okay, that is the QC. That is the QC.
Yes.
QC means quotation comparison. QC means quotation
Comparison.
comparison. This is first is PR, purchase requisition. Second one is request for quotation.
Quotation and
Third one
quotation
is
comparison.
quotation comparison. And they will choose one vendor and they will decide, oh, we will go for this vendor. Okay. After choosing the vendor, then next what they will do, no? They will do the purchase order, PO.
Okay.
Okay, they will do the PO, purchase
P.
order. Purchase order is nothing but agreement between the company and the vendor.
Mm.
Agreement between the company and
Company
vendor.
vendor.
Means what quantity we are purchasing, okay, what is the price, how many months, everything will be there, no? That they will put all
Yes.
that, that is the meaning of a purchase order. Okay. After purchase order, what they will do, no? They will do the goods receipt. After purchase order, they will do the goods receipt.
Goods.
What is the meaning of goods receipt? Goods receipt means material received to the company.
Okay.
Material received to the company. First PO will come. After PO, they will deliver the. Who will deliver? Vendor.
Vendor.
Okay, vendor will deliver the goods to the company. Whatever it may be in the ship, yeah, it may be lorry, whatever it may be, all the things will come. That is the meaning of goods receipt. After goods receipt, what will happen? No, invoice receipt will happen. Okay, what is the meaning of invoice receipt? Means bill generated by vendor. Okay, the bill they will give to the company. After receiving the material, afterwards what will happen? It will happen the invoicing. Invoice receipt we'll call as a invoice receipt. Invoice receipt is nothing but a bill generated by vendor to the company.
Company.
After giving the bill, finally what they will do? Company will do the payment.
Payment.
This is the, in wherever we go in the organization, this process they will follow in any organization. Okay, this process we will call as a P2P. Okay, procure to pay. Okay, procure to pay. Okay, PR will
Okay.
come first, purchase requisition, second one request for quotation, third one quotation comparison, fourth one purchase order, fifth one goods receipt. After goods receipt, it
Yes.
will be invoice receipt. After invoice receipt it will be the payment. Okay. In this whole scenario, for PR, there is a no account entry will be there for purchase requisition. Okay. And for RFQ also, there will be no accounting entry will generate. For QC also, there will be no account entry. For purchase order also, there will be no account entry. Why? Because only agreement. Purchase means agreement. You and me agreement, like
Yes.
that. For goods receipt, they will generate the account entry. Okay, what account entry they will generate means this one, raw material account to GRIR clearing account. Okay, raw material account will be the debit and GRIR clearing account will be the credit.
Credit.
Okay, this entry it will flow in the organization. Okay, for the goods receipt. After that, invoice receipt also account entry will generate. For invoice receipt, the account entry will be this. GRIR clearing account is debit, vendor account is credit. GRIR clearing account will be the debit and vendor account will be the credit.
Credit.
This is the invoice at the time of invoice receipt. Next, finally, what will happen? The payment, for payment also entry will be generated. Vendor
Okay.
account will be the debit and bank
Debit.
account will be the credit.
The credit.
These are the three major account entries. It will trigger to the P2P process. And the P2P process only, it will be connected for vendor only, not for customer. This whole process, the P2P process will be connected through vendor only. When they connect to the vendor means what will happen? No, three accounts it will generate: goods receipt account entry, invoice receipt account entry, and payment account entry. For all this one, how the account entries will the trigger from the background means based upon the transaction types. Okay, these are the transaction types: WRX, okay, and BSX. WRXS is nothing but a GRIR clearing account, and BXX is nothing but the inventory account. Inventory account is nothing but a raw material account. Okay. In OBYC, this is the T code. In OBYC, we connect all these transactions. Okay. Before connecting these transactions, you need to create the GL accounts. Raw material is one GL account and GRIR clearing account is one GL account. Raw material you will create in asset and GRIR clearing account you will create in liability.
Liability.
This vendor account normal only, already we created sundry creditors. Bank account asset. Okay, here totally 4 GLs it will trigger. One is raw material account asset, GRIR clearing account is credit, and sundry creditors. Sundry creditors will fall under liability, and the bank account will fall under asset. Okay, and based upon these transaction types, okay, WRX and BSX, based upon these two transaction type, these account entry will generate from the background, okay, from the background of the entries. This is the whole process of P2P flow. In every company, they will follow this process. Okay. After this P2P, then what they will do? No, they will. This is the another process called O2C. We'll call as a O2C.
O2C.
O2C means order to cash.
Cash.
O2C means P2P means procure to pay. O2C means order to cash.
Cash.
It is related to sales.
Okay.
P2P is related to purchase.
Purchase.
P2P is related to purchase means vendor, and O2C is related to sales and customer. Sales and customer.
Custom.
first what it will be the flow, no, like this. First sales order will be there. Afterwards, the post goods
Post.
issue will be there. Next delivery will be there. Next billing will be there. Billing is nothing but invoice. Okay.
Yes.
Next final will be the payment will be there.
Receipt.
Receipt. Receipt is nothing but payment. This is the flow of O2C. Sales order, post goods issue, deliver, billing. Billing means invoice, and receipt. Receipt means customer. Okay. Here post goods issue means what? What is the meaning of post goods issue? Means picking, packing, deliver. First
Okay.
they will pick, then they will pack, and then they will deliver.
Process. Okay, the
Process.
process.
After process, invoice will happen. Invoice is
Okay.
nothing but billing.
Billing.
Okay. After billing, next what will happen? No, payment.
Payment.
Customer will give the payment. Okay. Here what will happen? No. Here three account entries it will be trigger. Okay. First account entry will be for a post goods issue. Okay. For post goods issue, this is the account entry. Cost of goods sold account debit. Okay. And stock account
Stock.
credit.
Credit.
Credit. Okay. Cost of goods sold. Okay, cost of goods sold account will be the debit, and the stock account will be the credit.
Credit.
Okay, sales team will do in this transaction code PL01N. They will do all this process here. Okay, after that, this is the invoice entry. Invoice is nothing but a billing entry. Invoice is nothing but a billing entry.
Billing it.
Billing entry is nothing but a customer will be the debit, and the sales revenue will be the credit.
Credit.
Customer will be the debit and the sales revenue will be the credit. After billing, next what will happen? No, next they will do the payment. Okay, payment what will happen? No, bank. Bank is a debit, cash, yeah, bank clearing account. And customer will be the credit. Why? Because customer is giving money, no? That's why money is coming in, no? That's why bank account will be there. Okay. This is the whole process they will follow as a O2C. Like that, wherever our organization, in every organization, they will follow two process. One is a P2P process, another one is a O2C process. Okay, P2P means is related to purchase.
Payment.
O2,
Yes.
O2C is related to sales. O2C is related to the sales. Okay, in sales, these are the hierarchy. First, sales order will be there, post goods
Post goods.
issues, deliver,
Delivery. Billing.
billing, and
And
receipt.
receipt.
Okay, this is the post goods issue. Post goods issue means picking, packing, and deliver, ship out of
Yeah.
inventory. Okay, and this is the account entry. It will flow through the post goods issue. Okay, before that, what they will do? No, they will create this GL account, cost of goods sold. Okay,
Hmm.
cost of goods
Stock.
sold account will be created in a liability. Okay, and the stock account already it will be created in, for example, here in asset only. Okay.
Hmm.
And for this cost of goods sold, the transaction key will be this one, GBB.
Okay.
GBB will be the transaction key. This is the
People.
standard transaction key, this one, GBB.
Okay.
Okay. And here the whole process will be happen as a P2P and O2C. Clear, no, this one? This is the, I want
Yes.
to explain to you the flow of P2P and O2C. Is very, very
Okay.
important. Why? Because in every organization, what is the flow? See, wherever we go, in my
Yes.
organization
Yes.
also, they will follow
Purchase
this
and
process
sales.
only. No other process is there. Wherever
Okay.
you go in the organization, they will follow same process. Okay, how the material will come, okay, how the billing will happen, how they will do the delivery in the shipments, okay, what are the account entries will flow from, what will be the debits, what will be the credits. Okay, without these two processes,
Yes.
they cannot run the company. Simple logic. Why? Because without purchase, without sell, company cannot be run. Correct? No?
Yes.
If you
Of
purchase
course.
only, you can sell. Okay, then only the company will get the profit. Okay, that's why this is
Yes.
the flow of in all the organization. This flow we will call as a P2P and O2C.
More to see.
procure to pay and order to cash. This I want to tell you. That's why from many days it was pending for you. Last week Ramzan also there. I didn't.
Yes,
Uh,
that's right.
okay, this one. If anything is there means I will update you. Mostly I have completed all the things. Okay.
Okay.
In future, if anything, if you required anything means you can ping me, whatever it may be. Okay.
Yes,
I
sure.
I
Sure.
will I will help you regarding whatever it
Yeah.
may be. If you required any CV preparations, whatever it may be. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Anytime you can ping me. I will catch you at any time, whatever the
Thank
you are having. Okay.
thank
I
you.
will be available anytime. No problem for me. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, Bah.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you. It was a
Okay.
nice conversation with you. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Thank you. Thank you. If anything in future, if whatever you required,
Yeah,
any doubt
surely,
regarding maybe
surely I need you
uh, why
because
because
we
if
are
you
not
if you
advised.
required any resume to prepare to forward anything means some if you want to put some projects that one also I will help you to prepare all those things for you. Okay,
Yeah,
if anytime you
sure.
can catch me, that number will be there. This is my Skype ID.
Yes.
Okay, one day before you can ping me. We can have some
Yeah.
small discussion.
Okay.
Means I will catch you. Not an issue
Yeah.
for me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Huh?
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.